Amalungu ePalamente ashiyeke ekhwanqisiwe yimeko emaxongo ezikuyo iinkampani ezophapha kweli SAA kunye nenkampani evelisa izixhobo iDenel.
This report, Chair, it's depressing to say the least. I don't know why you chose a late evening to give us depressing news while we are tired from the sitting of Parliament.
It was a very depressing presentations. You just leave one at a loss of words, actually.
SAA phantsi kohlangulo lwezoshishino kwaye le nkampani ezophapho ifuna imali engange-3 billion rand ukuze iqulunqe le nkqubo.
We need to determine as quickly as possible where we can recover or where we can really ensure that SAA claims back whatever has been lost from anyone. You will see in most of the slides is that some of the outcomes are still to be determined. We will be allocating resources in terms of forensic accountants.
Ibutho elilodwa lophando SIU lifuna inkampani namatyathanga losapho lwakaGupta eMckenzie ibuyise imali engange-12 million rand.
We are of the view that maybe it will be in the best interest of SAA to also recover interest on that total capital amount, because SAA paid Mackenzie from the funds that were borrowed. So they didn't have the funds, but based on the contract that they had, they borrowed funds to pay Mackenzie.
Inkampani evelisa izixhobo iDenel nayo isengxakini. Abaphandi bafuna bajongane nengalo yomthetho abo babandakanyekayo kwizenzo zorhwaphilizo kule nkampani, kuquka nowayesakuba ngusihlalo kule nkampani uDenel Mantsa.
We are not leaving the chairperson of the board. Everything that happened during that time. Remember, we already alluded to the fact that we are looking at the maladministration in the process.
SIU ithibila isoma ngenjongo zokuthwalisa uxanduva abo baye banegalelo kulawulo lugwenxa kwezinkampani.